Welcome back to my channel. My name is Robyn. If you're new, make sure you're subscribed. Today I'm showing y'all how to get natural looking eyebrows like these. The first thing you need is the NYX the brow glue. Their brow glue is what's going to hold your brows in place and give you the natural lines, the natural look, the natural shape. So you're just going to spread this across your eyebrow.
Recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
After you lay your eyebrows in place, you're going to use a spoolie to press them in to make sure they hold the shape all day and make sure your eyebrow hairs don't move. Then I'm just going to take a pair of angled pointed tweezers and I'm just going to shape the top of my brow. So all of my hairs are kind of standing up. I'm just cleaning that up so it can be a little bit sharper. Now I am taking a black eyebrow pencil because my hair is black. I'm taking a dark eyebrow pencil and I'm just going to fill in my brow. Now I'm going to clean up underneath my brows using my Juvia's Place Concealer towards the middle because it's closer to my skin tone.
Another hour or two, I'll walk with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better. Know you grew better than you do. Call me looking for you. I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. We do whatever we want, go wherever we want, love however we want, it don't matter. You do whatever I want, get whatever I want, get whatever I need.
And then on the outside, I'm going to use my Fenty concealer because it is brighter.
Don't take it personal, baby. Love on my lady, love to my lady. Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Last time I checked, you were the one that loved me.
To clean up the top, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation because it is my skin tone, but I just need to make sure that the top is as sharp as I want it to look. And after blending out all of the foundation and concealer, this is how my eyebrows look. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave comments on what you would like to see next.